And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start Access Chapter 2 simulation training. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with all Microsoft classes, including simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam, and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I can help you in all assessments, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam, and weekly quizzes. It's a create a new database using the blank database. Okay. Here you can see blank database and create this with a 2. Okay. Then it say create a field name in the second column of that. Here you can see field name, branch ID. Save the table using the name branch. Okay. Save the table using the name branch. Okay, and then okay. Switch the view of the branch table from data sheet view to design view. Switch the view of the branch table from data sheet view to design view. With the branch table open in design view, delete the field ID. With the branch table open, delete the I have completed this question. Now I'm going to move for my next question. Then it says set the branch ID field as a primary key for the table. Set the branch ID field as a primary key for the table. Here you can see today I'm going to solve Access Chapter 2 simulation training. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with MyLab all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments. Set the branch ID field as a primary key. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. Modify the property of the branch ID field by changing the field size to 5 and press enter. Branch ID field, okay. Field size. Caption property for the manager field to change the caption property. Here you can see I am going to change the caption. Caption is manager's name. Manager's name. Change the caption property for the manager. Sorry, here is the manager and the caption property. I am a manager. And press enter. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. In design view, add a new field after the location. In a design view, add a new field after the location. The name of the new field is start date. And press tab. Change the data type of the start field to date over time. And press tab. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. View branch table in datasheet view. Now you can see here I am going to view the branch table in datasheet view. Enter 12/5/2016 as the manager start date. I have completed the question number 5. Now I'm going to move for next. It say begin the process to import the Excel workbook customer from the data. Okay. Now I'm going to show the step number 5. Begin to the process import the Excel workbook from the document folder. Here you can see I am going to import the Excel document. Begin to process to import the import. Here you can see I am going to do this one.
Click the
External data. Okay. Here you can see now I am going to import the data. Okay. With the first row contain column heading checkbox. Okay. Click next, modify option of the CID field so that its index no duplicate, then click next. No duplicate. With no duplicates, and next modify the field option of CID field so it index index with no duplicate, and then set the CID field as a primary key. Okay, then complete the wizard using the default table name. And close this one. I have completed this question. Now I'm going to move for my next question. Begin to process the import of the Access database. Now you can see here. Now I'm going to import the Access database. And then select the account table and then click OK. OK. Don't save the import step and then close the table. OK. Close the box. Here you can see today I am going to solve Access Chapter 2 simulation training. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounts, MATLAB finance. Okay, with the customer table open in design view, change this. Okay. Change the CID field name to the customer ID. Apply the default phone number input mask to the phone field. Default phone number input mask to the phone field. Here you can see phone field. Here you can see I am going to solve Access Chapter 2 simulation training. If you need the solution of any Microsoft project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounts, MATLAB finance. Okay. Input mask. The default input mask. Here you can see Apply the default phone number input mask to the phone field. Here you can see I have completed this step. Now I'm going to move for my next step. Add a new record to the end of the customer table in the customer ID field type. OK. Now you can see here I am going to add a new record. And the last name. Just I have completed this question. Now I'm going to move for my next question. Begin creating relationship in the database by adding the account branch. OK. Let's say add the account branch and customer table in the relationship window. Here you can see begin creating relationship in the database by adding the branch customer. Create one to many relationship between the branch ID field and branch table. Branch ID field and branch table and then account table. We show in fourth trigger. OK. Branch ID branch table. I am going to do this one.
Click the branch ID field. In the Edit Relationships dialog
As you can
box,
see, I am going to
click
solve this
select
one.
the
And show the enforced identity. OK. I have completed the step number 10. Now I'm going to move for my next step. I am dealing with MATLAB Stat, MATLAB Mathematics, MATLAB Accounts, MATLAB Finance. Join the customer ID field from the customer table. Customer in the account table, then select then for OK. Customer ID field in account table, customer table. OK. And by using enforce, OK, select the enforce, OK, and cascade update related field, and then create. Open the account table in datasheet view. In a new record end of the account table. Now I'm going to add a here you can see I am going to add a new record 127. Okay, D60. And 4000 balance, and date, open date is 4/13/2018 and press enter. Then it say okay. Use attempt to enter a node text branch ID and were not allowed. Okay, now you can see here I am going to add a criteria for this one. Here you can see today I am going to solve Access Chapter 2
In the
simulation training.
Microsoft Access message box. In the new record, double-click in the branch ID column to select the text B60. Type B50 and then press the down arrow to save the record.
Here you can see I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. Use a query wizard to begin a simple query. Here you can see use a query wizard to begin a simple query. Create query wizard. Okay. From the account table, add the field account ID, customer ID, branch ID. From the account table, add the field account ID, customer ID, branch ID, balance. Okay, click next. Ensure that the detail open in the selected and then click the next. Name of the query. Okay, now you can see account from campus branch. From campus branch and then finish. Accounts from name of the query accounts. I have done this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. With the accounts from campus branch query, open the design view and set the criteria for the branch ID. Here you can see I am going to solve this one. I am dealing for branch ID is here and set the criteria for the branch ID. Set the query to sort the account ID field to sending order. Account ID field criteria. Okay. Ascending order. Run the query. Okay. I have completed this question. Now I am going to move for my next question. In the accounts from the campus branch query, change the balance account ID 1000 to okay. In account from campus branch query, change the balance for accounts ID. In the account from the campus branch query, change the balance for account ID. In the account from campus branch query, change the balance of account ID 120 from balance of account ID 1020 and press enter and then close the. Open the account table in datasheet view. Here you can see I am going to open the account table in datasheet view. Add a new record from the end of the account table. Here you can see I am going to add a new record. Add a new record to the end of the account table. Account ID field. B50 8000 and 8 4 2018. Open the account from the campus branch query in the datasheet view. Make a copy of the account from campus branch query. And account from campus. Account from campus branch. Sort it. And OK. Open the new query in design view. Remove the sort from the account ID. Sort the query by the customer ID field and then balance field in ascending order, customer ID and balance field both in ascending order. Now run the query. I have done this question. Add branch table to the top pane of the query design view window and right of the account table. Add branch table to the. Drag the location field from the branch table to field to the first empty. Here you can see. Drag the location field from the branch table field to first empty column. Drag the location field from the branch table field list from the first empty column in the design view. Drag the location field from the branch table field list from first empty column in the design grid. Here you can see I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounts. Drag the location field. Here you can see branch field list from first empty column in the design grid. Here you can see I am going to solve this one.
Click the location field in the branch field list and then drag it down. Click in the fifth row, which is the criteria row.
Same thing I have done, but why it's showing error? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Press enter. Type campus as a criteria in the location field. These tags show the checkbox and below the branch ID field hide the field from the result and then we select show box. Below the branch ID field and delete the criteria B. Okay. Here you can see today I have done Access Chapter 2 simulation training with 100% grade. If you need the solution of any Microsoft project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I already gave a direct WhatsApp link and email address in the description. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, thank you so much.